You log into Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.7 expecting a passive chatbot. The system straight up refuses to agree with your bad ideas. We are tracking reports across Mashable, Anthropic, Tom's Guide, and GitHub to analyze how Opus 4.7 operates as an autonomous agent. Tom's Guide, actually tested this autonomy by asking the model to draft a cover letter for a fake job. The model rejected the fictional premise entirely. Then, told to build a task-tracking web app, it independently shipped a working HTML file with drag-and-drop columns and local storage, never pausing to ask for permission.
And forget asking for permission. Opus 4.7 has a 77.2% pushback rate against false premises. Anthropic introduced a new parameter called the X-high effort level. This forces the model to prioritize heavy computational reasoning over speed.
You type a prompt, and the AI runs internal loops before generating a single word.
The system spends massive computational cycles fact-checking the logic of your request against its internal database. If your instructions contain flawed assumptions, the model rewrites the underlying architecture of your request to fix your mistakes before doing the work.
Interacting with Opus 4.7 feels like managing a stubborn senior developer who refuses to write bad code. You ask for a quick fix, and the AI redesigns the entire architecture.
Safety engineering protocols dictate that stubborn streak. Anthropic subjects this model to the mask honesty benchmark, hitting a 91.7% score. They also run a Petri 2.0 behavioral audit specifically designed to punish sycophancy.
Wait, punishing sycophancy?
Sycophancy happens when an AI tells you what you want to hear just to close the conversation. Petri 2.0 is an internal testing framework where Anthropic actively tries to bully the AI into agreeing with a false statement. The model is penalized during training if it caves to the user.
The Ask Honesty benchmark measures the exact same resistance.
The 91.7% score means Opus 4.7 refuses to encourage user delusions.
Anthropic openly admitted Opus 4.7 lags behind their own unreleased technology. Shipping an intentionally handicapped flagship model defies standard tech industry logic.
Anthropic locked away a model called Claude Mythos. Project Glasswing partners saw the raw version. The public gets Opus 4.7 because Mythos possesses advanced cybersecurity capabilities deemed too dangerous for open release.
Oh, wow.
Mythos can autonomously navigate networks and identify vulnerabilities without human oversight. Opus 4.7 operates with strict safeguards blocking high-risk cyber tasks. It serves as the dialed-back alternative for commercial release.
Running that intense reasoning protocol demands massive compute power, triggering infrastructure strain across major tech platforms. GitHub's changelogs show Copilot abruptly paused all new pro and student signups just to maintain service stability. They locked Opus 4.7 strictly behind their most expensive Pro Plus tier.
The raw math dictates those restrictions. Opus 4.7 carries a 7.5x premium request multiplier on GitHub. Anthropic also deployed a new tokenizer mapping inputs to 1.35 times more tokens than previous versions. That burns through server allocations at record speed.
A tokenizer chopping words into data pieces. Older models read the word unbelievable as a single token, and this new tokenizer slices that same word into multiple smaller fragments.
Processing 1.35 times more tokens per prompt means the physical servers are doing significantly more math for the exact same sentence. The 7.5x multiplier means GitHub charges your account 7.5 times more compute credits to access that heavier reasoning.
Getting billed for AI usage is starting to feel like paying a high-end lawyer by the billable minute. You draft every single prompt obsessively because every second the model spends processing drains your bank account. These systems now fact-check our prompts, rewrite our code, reject our flawed logic, and manage their own long-term development tasks. How long until we become the assistants in this dynamic, fetching the coffee while the AI does the actual thinking? Goodbye.